Okay, so it's time for our Upwords lesson. Let's look and see. We are on lesson 24. Wow, already. And we are going to be doing the letter Y this week. But first, before we do that, we're going to do a little exercise. And this one's different. We've been clapping out syllables to start off our lessons. And this time I'm going to say a word, and then I'm going to tell you to say the word, the whole thing, and then I'm going to tell you to leave a little part off of it and say it, okay? And this is leading up to some other things, but it's for us to listen to the different parts of the words, okay? You'll see as we go along. All right, the first thing, say mitten. Now say it again, but don't say mitt. All right, so let's think. Mitten, take off the mitt. What does that leave? 10. All right, that's what we're going to do, okay? All right, now say table. Now say it again, but don't say tay. And you should have said bull. Say Monday. Now say it again, but don't say mun. You should have said day. Say motel. Now say it again, but don't say mo. You should have said tell. Say candy. Now say it again, but don't say can. You should have said D. Now say ankle. Now say it again, but don't say ang. You should have said coal. Get it? Okay, we're going to be doing that for the next few days. All right, let's move on to our book, okay? Okay, we're going to move our little tab here. So the last place I had mine on was on the little seek and find here. You may have yours a little bit later, but let's take that off and put it to the side. And then we're going to turn pages, okay? Now we did this with Miss Mappus on Friday. Each of you did the different X words. And we're going to skip these pages. We're going to level 0, lesson 24, okay? So that's what you should see. And we're going to turn the page and we'll be on write the symbol. And it should say page 1, but it's lesson 24, Monday, okay? If you need some help, get someone to help you find that page, all right? But we're going to do the first few pages. Okay, so on here, I'm going to say the sounds for you, and you're going to write the letter on the line. We skipped that the last couple of days, so we need to do that again to practice our writing and listen for our sounds, all right? So get something to write with, and here we go. Okay, ready to write some letters? Here we go. The first one makes the sound D. D. The next one makes the sound ul. Ul. The next one makes the sound n. N. And like always, if I go too fast, just pause it until you write your letter. The next one makes the sound m. M. Next one makes the sound I. I. Next one makes the sound J. J. Next one makes the sound K. K. Now remember, there's two. Write both of the letters that make that sound. K. The next one makes the sound R or R. R. The next one makes the sound P. P. The next letter makes the sound F. F. Next one makes the sound E. E. Next one makes the sound W. W. Next one makes the sound V. V. And the last one for today makes the sound X. X. Okay, I'm going to pause this just for a second and then put the answers for you. Okay, here are the answers, and we're going to go through them real quick, and you can say them with me with the words that we say and the sounds. Here we go. D, dog, D. L lion L, N nest N, M man M, I igloo I, J jam J, here's the one that has the 2, K kite K, C cat K, R rug R, P pan P, up here, F fish F, E egg E, W web W, V violin V, and X fox X. Do your letters look like this? Are they all on the lines and going down if they drop, or starting at the top, not going over the dotted line? Okay, double check and make sure you did a great job. Okay, we're going to go ahead and turn the page. Just the one page here. And we're going to go to our Y pictures. Book almost fell off. All right, let's look at it. This is kind of a hard picture to see. If this was kind of orange, it'd be much easier. This is a yam, and that's a kind of vegetable, kind of like a sweet potato, and a lot of people use them interchangeably, okay? I just ate one last night. I should have saved it so I could have shown you one for that, a yam. Down here, a yo-yo. Down here, it's a fried egg, and that part is the yolk, okay? That's the yellow part of the egg. Up here is yarn. We use that for a lot of crafts. Down here is a yak. See all the hair he has on him. And here is a yogurt. So that might give you some ideas for things that start with Y around your house. When we do it today, you're going to be able to also find yellow things, since that starts with Y, because it's kind of tricky to find them. Okay, so turn the page, and we're going to go to our Ys, and I'm going to do some of these with you. What we do with this one is it's Y, yarn, Y. Okay, so I'm going to start, we're going to trace them first. We're going to start here at the dotted line. We go down at an angle. We pick up, we go down, and we go zoom. Now, they're going to have you practice the straight ones, and that's fine, because that's how the capital one is made. I'm going to do one for you, all right? Y, yarn, Y. I want you to say that when you do it. Now, I'm going to show you a couple things. First of all, when we do a capital Y, all right? But you might also see it like this sometimes, just to show you, okay? Either of those is fine. Now, the way Miss Mappus a lot of times makes her Ys is with a rounded way, and that's fine, but I want you to practice the straight line since it's here, okay? But just know if you make it like this, like in our morning message today, see, I made my Y like that, and that's how we do it with Denelian, okay? But I can't fix your books for you, okay? So you can write it either way, but go ahead and practice since we have the tracing. Go ahead and practice those Ys, all right? So pause it right here and finish this page, and every time say Y, yarn, Y, okay? And then you can keep coming. All right, if you're finished, we're going to take page 5, and we're going to turn it to do this on the other side. I'm going to look on my book here. Make sure we get all of them for sure. Okay, so remember we circle the 2 pictures. I'm sorry, I have no shadows here. 2 pictures that start with the same letter, and then we write that letter. So here we have a yak, yarn, and a pig. So yak and yarn, and we're going to make a Y over here. All right, now we have a wig. I think it's a pig or a hog, doesn't matter. And then a wing. Which one of those? It's the wig and the wing. Both start with W. Okay. Then we have a camel, a yam, and a yogurt. So yam and yogurt start with Y once again. Okay. Then we have a yolk, the egg yolk, a yo-yo, and an igloo. And the yolk and the yo-yo both start with Y. And then we have web, a rock, and a watermelon. And so our web and our watermelon both start with W. Great job. This map is right on the original page. I'll have to fix it up. Okay, we're going to get ready to blend. Let me show you what letters you need to get from your letter tiles, so we can do that together. Okay, those are your consonants in blue, K, M, T, P, Y, and your vowels that you need is A, E, I, and U. So go ahead and get those, pause this, get the letters out that you need, set them up at the top of your page, and then we'll get started. Okay, so make sure your letter tiles are set up like this. If not, just pause it until you get there, and then let's go ahead and blend, okay? We're going to start off with a Y, a U, and an M. We're going to blend this. Yum. Very good. Take off the U and put on the A. And let's blend that. Yam. Very good. Take off the M and put on the K. Yak. Okay, take that off. Put on the T. And this is a makeup word, make believe. Yat. Good. Take off the A and put the E. Here's a real word. Yet. Put an I on the end, then it would be Yeti, like Charlie Grace's dog. Okay, but yet, there you go. Take off the E and put the I. This is going to be a make-believe word. Yet. Make sure you're saying these words with me, okay? Take off the T and then put a P. Yip. Take off the I and put an A. Yap. Okay, if I went too fast, which I probably did, go back, rewind it a little bit so you can do those again. I want you to say the words, okay? You can actually put me on mute and then just go ahead and say the words yourself. That would be a great idea. Okay? All right, so I'm going to go ahead and pull our sight words for right now. Ones that you already know, I am pretty sure. S-E-E-C. I like these words because they go together. This one is S-A-W, saw. So we could say, actually, you put those together and it makes a compound word, seesaw. So I see a bird, or I saw a bird yesterday. Okay, so those are our two words, so we can practice them. Let's do them one more time. S-E-E-C, good. And then S-A-W, saw. Very good. Now that we're finished with our blending, go ahead and take your tab and put that right there on that page, because that's where we're going to start tomorrow. Okay, now for your scavenger hunt today, where you find words that start with Y. It's a little tricky because you're supposed to start them, okay, start with Y. And so you can also find yellow things. Since yellow starts with Y, I'm allowing you to do that because it's going to be hard otherwise. And I'm going to have you do it in a special way. We're going to try a flip grid today. And I emailed your parents about it. And they have the website to get to my page. And I set up a flip grid and a little video of mine. And you will have the chance, you're going to push a button, and then it's going to videotape you showing your things. We only have 30 seconds, so have your things ready right there. However many of the Y things that you have, or you can have a list and read them off, okay? Then after you finish your little video, then you get to make your little what is it called? The thumbnail, the picture of yourself, and there's little stickers you can put on and emojis and fun things like that. And then if you go back to that, you can go and see your friends' videos and everything too. So I think it'll be a lot of fun to do that. So it's called a flip grid, and ask your parents to get that started for you. And once you do it just one time, I think you're going to have it really down pat because it's pretty simple. But give it a try, and I look forward to seeing your Y words, okay? See you later.